ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shisngi hadirin ke jing syakno bagi shipai yada kapur kitemu bansiat yap doktor keterat veterinary Muktapur Sdpo ke Amlarem baru SDO civil Amlarem mentag sngi ke lech Muktapur bat pelong ke jing lang bat kipat bat nong shoshnong halor kate ke jing keno habekran baru MLA ke thanyu ba Lahkmen remboy ulong ba kate ke jing ja ke jing ja ka bampoi perkhat hak ba ke jing keno ba sya pendek de ke shipai BSF ba nak liang shipai BSF ru ke pen pawe la ke jong ke nyai ke ba kilale Shushu ba Lahkmen ulong pitip bah kaput ke shipai BSF kidane la ke jong ka hak Kabaki de benle Muktapur kepada ke zero line baki pat ba nong sosnong ru kedan la ka jong ka benta hendre ke ka bala ja ha ka khatwai trek brai rem phang kedan la ki jong ki benta
Unfortunate incident yesterday where there is a allegation of harassment by the BSF, and there is also a version of the BSF according to them what they are doing. So if you know, in the border area the BSF have their own role to play, and Muktapur being on the zero line, local population also, they have their own thing to do. But whatever happened yesterday, there are two versions to it. So the BSF will get into the bottom of this, and the police also will investigate this matter. And today I had a meeting with IGBSF and the police headquarters and officers from the Home Department, where we discussed that this type of thing, they should get into the bottom of this incident, and this type of thing should not repeat in the future, because unnecessarily there is people will suffer, and moreover many people will take advantage of this incident trying to do other things also. So that's why I call this meeting, and the BSF also, they have agreed that while doing policing, they have utmost restraint should be there to see that this type of incident not happen. And also today the Sdpo Amlarem and the SDO civil Amlarem, they went to Muktapur and had a meeting with the local residents on the same issue. So we discussed with the police and BSF also that the proper communication between the civilian authorities and the BSF should be there to avoid this type of thing. Then the BSF headquarters also have issued time and again the necessary instruction that while policing, maximum restraint should be done so that to avoid the unnecessary harassment or so to say clash between the civilian and the authority concerned. So it is a continuation, and I hope that that this type of thing should not happen. Of the people that there is the BSF, one BSF was threatened to shoot, but the veracity of that thing I cannot say whether true or wrong. I cannot say right now. That's why both the BSF and the police will get into the bottom of this thing, so that necessary action, if needed, could be taken to any particular person if there is any truth in it. We have there is the allegation, but as the responsible person, we cannot just say, as I said, that why we call this meeting to get to the bottom of these things. So I hope that the truth will come very soon. And moreover, the officer concerned also have filed the case. So we hope that something, whatever thing, truth will come out in due course of time.